everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to deactivate or activate the monkey bar auto jump option in Dying Light the Beast, so enjoy watching! As always, at first we have to open the options. You can press the O button on your keyboard or move here to move to the settings. Now under the auto sprint option we can see monkey bar auto jump. So this option, when it's enabled, you will automatically jump off monkey bars when holding space and moving forward. Otherwise, release the space to jump off the monkey bars, so you can decide if you want to activate or deactivate this option. You can find it here and make your own choice. And that will be all for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!